Hi guys, welcome back to my DIY channel. Learn my new tutorial on how to configure Deco M5. Fast, stable, everywhere, and easy to install. Deco is the simplest way to guarantee a strong Wi-Fi signal in every corner of your home. Enjoy fast, stable connections for an army of devices in homes up to 5,500 square feet, connects over 100 devices. Unbox Deco, install the app and then simply follow the on-screen directions. Deco will take care of the rest, getting your network up and running in minutes. Package includes 3 power adapters and flat UTP cable. Download the app and scan using your mobile QR code scanner. Then tap to continue installing. Open the Deco app now. Tap Agree, then follow the registration process for first-time login. Tap Let's Begin, select your device, scroll down and choose Deco M5 and 130G. Tap Next, then make sure your Deco M5 device is powered on and connected to your modem or to your internet source. Once your Deco M5 is powered on, observe, orange color LED means your device is starting up, and colored blue means your device is ready for installation. When choosing your connection type, you may ask your internet provider or simply run the command prompt and type ipconfig. Create now your network name, or SSID and password. Once completed, you are now ready to connect to your new Wi-Fi device. Congratulations!